Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yes. So we are about to start the meeting, and there's actually an info section for as well. We are going to go through to understand what we are really about and what is upcoming projects and everything, so that we could understand them much better. However, today our speaker is going
can you mute yourself?
Pardon?
Can you mute your microphone?
Okay, sure.
Okay, we're okay now. That's fine. So so today the speaker is going to be Shadrach, who's actually going to take us through a few stuff since he's had more experience regarding the club and everything. So he's had experience and he's been the lead. He also happens to be the Accra lead, and then he used to be our lead for this club. However, we also have George, who is also now the active DSC lead of the Dominion University. However, very soon I'll be taking you through team members, which we have George, we have Mavis, we have myself, we have Ibrahim and Frank. I hope you could all see them. Okay. So for the faculty advisors, we have Mr. Walid, and then who happens to be our head. So in case you should face any challenge or anything where you want it to be done, sometimes you could contact him, or you could contact George. George could direct it to him. We also have Eric, who's also our technology, so he's also in there to assist us regarding stuff. So with the group. Basically, what we are is actually a developer student clubs, where in the university community groups for students interested in global developer technologies. Students from all undergraduate or graduate programs with an interest in growing as a developer are welcome. So basically, by joining the DSC students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their communities. So that's what we're actually about. So then these are previous events that have happened where they're actually amazing stories. It happens about the AR navigation app, where it shows. I'm going to play the video for us to be able to watch it, and then so that we have a little idea regarding what it's about.
I think the sound is not coming, so you can skip that. Later, maybe we'll play it.
So we should skip that?
Yeah, you can skip that for now.
Okay. So then I'm actually going to introduce Shadrach to continue from here, where he's actually going to speak to us regarding everything we need to know. So let's welcome Shadrach. Hello, Shadrach.
Yeah, sure. So, yeah, thank you for inviting me here. Unfortunately, I don't see your members here, and you have to report this video to the community leads, Awal and the rest. And, I don't know how come, but I'm not seeing your colleagues here. So, basically, I've worked with almost all of you. All of you have witnessed DSC, so this is not new. on campus. It's not new, and it's something you've all seen. It's something we've experienced all together with you guys. And I won't talk much about it because you guys already know what it's about. And unless we have some new students here who don't have any idea, but I know all of you have idea about DSC because we've run it before. So this is just an info session of introduction of your new core team members since we've left it for you guys to take over. Then can I have the next slide?
Okay.
So this basically what I experienced. Okay, these are some of the things or some of the workshops I hosted, which some of you were there then, but not all. Some of you were there. Just few of you were there. So these are some of the workshops I hosted, and my info sessions, and then web design session, then what the solution challenge video pictures also up there. Then I see my web designing sessions, I see them too up there. So these basically some few pictures of how my tenure went. During my tenure, this is what I experienced. These are some of the events I hosted as well. There are a lot of things that you gain from being a part of the DSC community. Okay, so you will learn a lot. You have free resources from Google developers to learn whatever technology aspect that you want to move in. And it's a Google technology or services or products. You are going to have access to all these things, either being web development, Android development, which you'll be using Android development, you'll be using Java or Kotlin. Kotlin most as Google developer team, Google is trying to hype the Kotlin more. So there are a lot of things you are going to gain. There are almost a lot of things you guys will be gaining. And also the swags will be coming in for you. That's the stickers, then the other stuff. There are a lot of them that should be coming in, but because of the pandemic, so most of them are on hold now. And as Adam said, okay, so your hard work currently, I've given my colleagues, those who, I mean, the core team I work with, I've just sent them their certificates, which I received from the program managers outside. So I just, when they gave it to us, we just put in their names in. I just sent it to them. So they've received their certificates for being part of the developer student club as a core team members. Okay, so they've received their certificates. I just sent it to them today. So you guys are going to receive your certificates as well if you are really, really hardworking. My people, not all I gave them the certificates. It's just those I knew were all around when we.
Hello. Shut up.
Is off?
Hello, shut up. Hello, shut up. Okay. I think it's off. Let's give him some time to come back online. Mavis, please check your direct messages.
Please decide to check what?
Your direct messages.
Okay. Mama, no, super. If you come the good day, maybe you can you know the I mean, you hold no maybe. Although time is South Africa for meeting. That time was the play go company.
Yeah, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think my Wi-Fi was.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically that's tenure in a DSC Lead. And currently I'm the GDG Accra Lead, the Google Developers Group Accra Lead.
Oh, that's cool.
You know, from the previous Accra Lead. The recording doesn't stop, it keeps going on.
Okay. Hello.
Adam.
Yes. Hello, Mavis.
Yeah, I mean the only two people. It's like they're all offline right now.
Oh, yeah. Let me check.
I
I'm Frank. Okay, let me try and get in touch with okay. So Shadrach is having problems with his internet. I think his Wi-Fi has been low. Yes.
Yeah, hello.
Yes. So Shadrach is facing a few challenges with his internet. So you can take us through the rest of the slides. I hope you can see the screen.
Yeah, I can see, but I think we are the only two people here right now.
I think two more have joined. So we are 5 now.
Yes, I was given a particular part to take as to take to, not this particular place.
Okay. So with the focus areas, what we are really going to touch on in this club is going to be from front end web development, back end web development, mobile app development, data science, and then cloud technology. So these are some of the focus areas we are actually going to be going through or be having this period. However, maybe this will be taking us through to be the event type.
Yeah. Hello. Good evening once again. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Can you hear me? Yeah. So I'm taking the event types. So as you can see on the screen, we only have 6 event types here. So we'll go to the first one, which is the workshop. So workshop is an educational seminar or a series of meetings emphasizing on exchange of information among a usually small number of people. So a workshop is almost like where we can where work is performed or a group of meetings to discuss a particular topic. So please do you get the workshop?
Yes,
The explanation of the workshop. Yes, please. And so we take the second one, which is the study jams. So study jams is a group. It's a study group organized by a group or a developers group where attendees get personal tutorials by coaches or peers. So it's like where we go for the DSC group meetings where Shadrach takes us through website development. That's also an example of study jams. It's just like coming together in a group form to study a particular topic. Am I okay?
Yeah.
Yes, please. So that's of the hackathons. That one is also an event typically lasting several days in which a large number of people need to engage in a collaborative computer programming. So we have types of hackathons, which one is explore a new technology. That is usually part of a product marketing group. That's like where people, example like people who go for meetings to market a particular a new product. That is a type of event. That's also one type of event. And we also have the annual event, which is like a cultural event, which also means cultural event. And then we have the last one, which is part of the product life cycle. That is a product development acceleration. Okay, so the next topic is collaboration project, which is the fourth type. Collaboration project. Collaboration project allows a group of people to work together to create online content, which can be used for undergraduate research. Please, do you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes. It's used for research. So we have 2 types of collaboration projects. We have the wikis, which can be classified as Wikipedia, and then social book marketing. Social book marketing. So wikis is an essential collaborative website. Do you get it? Do you get the definition of the wikis? It's a website.
Okay.
It's an essential collaborative website, meaning it takes more than one person to. So it's a collaborative social book making. Social bookmarking allows users to collect and rank online content. Please, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So wikis is a website or database development collaboratively. It's developed by, excuse me, sorry. It's a website or database developed collaboratively by a community or user, allowing any user to add or edit content. Should I read it again?
Yes.
Hello.
You can do that.
Wikis. They are websites or database used collaboratively by a community of users, allowing any user to add or edit content. And then social bookmarking is a process of tagging a website page with a browser based to. Can you hear me? Social bookmarking is a process of tagging a website page with a browser-based tool so that you can easily visit it again.
Okay.
Is that okay? Then we have the Tech Talk. The Tech Talk, which is the last but one. It's a premier collection of articles and videos written each week by top trained experts for busy professionals and aspiring students. It's just an article written online for professionals or students who are aspiring to become
Maybe.
I'm sorry. Yes, please. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, please. So this helps. The Tech Talk helps people to stay up to date in using technology and becoming better communicators in a workplace. Am I okay? Hello.
Yes.
Yes. So the ways by which we can provide tech talks are through email publications. We also have online database, up to date and relevant topics to access. We also have database and then mobile apps. Those are the three main ways of providing tech talks. Is everybody okay by the explanation? Maybe.
Yes, maybe.
Hello. Sure. Okay, and then the showcase, which is the last one.
Okay.
Showcase is a simple English. It's just it's an event or occasion established to showcase abilities or good qualities of someone. It's like an exhibition. So that is just a simple English of explaining a showcase of how you can organize a type of event.
Okay, thanks very much. Thank you very much, Mavis. Mavis happens to be our co-lead, who's George. Yeah, so then we are moving on to the next slide. Yes. So the next slide happens to be the solution challenge. Now, with the solution challenge, what happens is problems that society faces or local community happens is the team try and through a challenge, and at the end, it's just focusing on what are being faced in the local community, and then we just use the Google platforms and products to be able to resolve those issues. So there's also a video talking about the challenges that happen in the local environment. I'm sure after all of this, we can come back to go through the videos. Oh, okay, you know what? Let's go through it now.
Yeah, I think your sound is not yet set up for that. That's why I was asking you to leave it.
Oh, okay.
You can later share the links in your platforms.
Okay. So then, to be able to become a member, what you have to do is to visit the link where I'll be sharing to all platforms just after this. And then for you to be able to join, you click on it and you first join. You see the join button there, and then that's when you'll be able to attend events and take part in projects and volunteer with us. So we are planning on doing a lot this year and also next year. So definitely we'll surely share with everyone so that you'll be able to partake and join us. So sorry, George couldn't join us. He just faced a few technical challenges, so he actually couldn't join us. I'm sure Shadrach has a few words for us, so I'm sure I'm going to leave it now for Shadrach to share a few things with us before we could end all of them. Shadrach.
Yeah. Oh, I think that's quite cool. Most of them, I'm sure they've understood what you guys were also talking about. So, the one most important thing about the DSC is you are going to have this collaborative. You are going to be in a collaborative, something like a team form, okay, in developing products and services, which is going to be built on the Google platform. Okay, when you look at the solution challenge, the video there was one of our colleagues from the University of Education in the University of Education, Kumasi, Elvis. So he was part of the first 10. We couldn't make it to the first 10 because we have some few problems with our app. So it was opened. Our app, we have some parts which was opened. Okay, meaning it's being opened means someone can get into the app. Okay, so we have some part of the app which was opened, which made us not to be able to enter into the first thing. So we also partook. DSC DUC partook also in the solution challenge. We went far, but we couldn't reach the first thing because of stuff which was opened out. We couldn't enter into the first thing. Well, it was cool. We also have a video like that. We also have a video made for our app. We went out to Kaneshi. Yes, we went to Kaneshi to make our video. So we also have our video. All participants have video of their app. Our video came out during the pandemic, so we had issue. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I was thinking my internet is off again.
No.
So we also have our video down there. It's on YouTube. but maybe I will share the link later to George, so I will give it to you guys. We also have a video. Our app is also there. We are waiting till next year that we launch our app because of the politics stuff that is going on. So we are also relaxing to launch our app next year. So you will see our app as well. And that's how it works. We work in a team to develop that app. So that's how DSC is. You find solutions, you find problems, then you work in a team to solve that problem. That's what is meant by being part of the DSC community. So it's cool to have you guys launch the 2020-2021 club at DUC. And I hope you guys are going to do your best to keep the legacy. And I wish you guys all the best as well. So I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I'm good. Yeah. But you don't forget to invite your colleagues to attend the Dev Fest, the developer festival.
Yeah.
Which is also from Google. Okay. Google developers. So that's the GDG Accra and GDG Kumasi coming together to host the Dev Fest. So you guys are not supposed to miss it as well. Especially the core team members, you are supposed to be there. If it was to be physical, like our will sponsor you guys to be there, but it's not going to be physical and it's going to be virtual. So you guys have to be there. You all have to be there, especially the core team members. You need to be there to learn how things go on there. We are also going to use this platform, but it's going to be purely technical learning and other stuff. I don't know why I can't see my chat here. I wanted to send, but I can't see my chat here, so I'm not able to send it.
Was it the one happening on the 17th?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can share the link if you have.
Yeah, I do.
You have the link.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can share the link on your platforms to invite your colleagues as well.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. So I think I'm done. Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
Sure.
All right. Adam. Adam.
Hi.
Yeah, so I think we are done here, or
Yes. Yeah.
it's like no one is around, just us. So
Okay. So I'm ending it now.
sure.